If you or someone you know is suffering from diabetes, then it is crucial to ensure that you maintain the health of your feet. Yes, here are a few tips to care for your feet if you are a diabetic individual. Most of us may have experienced minor foot injuries at some point in our lives. We take the necessary precautions and allow it to heal. However, when a person with diabetes has an injury or an infection on his feet, then it becomes a major concern, as the wound or infection healing capacity in diabetic patients is extremely low due to poor blood circulation. The healing capacity of the feet tissues can be even lower in diabetic patients, as the feet are located in the extremities, further reducing blood flow to the region. If diabetic patients do not take care of their feet well, then the injuries and infections may even turn into gangrene, which is another deadly disease. So, here are a few tips to take care of your feet if you are a diabetic patient. Have a look. Tips number 1. Ensure you check your feet every night, before bed, for minor cuts, injuries, calluses, corn, etc., so that you can take immediate treatment. Tips number 2. Diabetes feet care tips include asking someone to have a look at your feet regularly, if you cannot bend down due to body pain. Tips number 3. You can use a small hand mirror to have a look at the bottom of your feet to check for signs, which is another feet care tip for diabetic patients. Tips number 4. Even if you notice minor irritation or redness, small cuts, etc., on your feet, you must visit your doctor. Tips number 5. In case you experience cuts or burns, clean them with antiseptic gels and apply ointments immediately. Tips number 6. Another feet care tip for diabetic individuals includes moisturizing your feet regularly, as dryness may lead to cracks and infection. Tips number 7. Be extremely careful while clipping your toenails, and if you are unsure, you can ask someone for help. Tips number 8. Another feet care tip for diabetic patients includes using nail clippers designed for toenails, not fingernails, as they are wider and can avoid injury. Tips number 9. Ensure that you file your toenails after clipping them, as clipped nails can still be sharp and cause injury. Tips number 10. Avoid using heating pads on your feet, as this habit may induce numbness in that area and you may not be able to tell when there is an injury. Tips number 11. Another feet care tip for diabetic patients includes walking with footwear or slippers at all times, even indoors. Tips number 12. Before wearing a pair of shoes, check them for stone, dirt or dust particles that may harm your feet.